really hope I don't get the same one because I unboxed it. This one, it's really cute, and it's like, I love it. It's very soft. So let's see if I actually finally get one. Open this up. Duplicate.
You got the same one as the other one.
At least I have one more. I want the secret one. It's okay. I'll give one to my sister. Here is here's what they got. I got 2 of those, bro. But I'm really excited to see what's. I really hope I get this mystery. So let's just open this up. Can't really open it up for with my nails, but okay. Putting it with one hand. Freaking. It's really hard. Okay. Yup, I got a duplicate again. Wait, no, I don't think I did. Wait. Give me a sec, though. I didn't get a duplicate. I did not. I didn't get a triple duplicate. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Wait. Oh my gosh, It's the coffee mug. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And this is like the bottom's like the plate. The coffee seat. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Looks like I got 2 duplicates, but I got 1 not. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. Ah! Bye guys.